Hi, this is Cheri with My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Today we're going to take a look at how to combine decorative stitches. Let's head to our machine. Alright, what we're looking at here is the home screen of your Altair. We love these great big screens and it makes it super easy to use them. We're going to go to sewing section and we're going to go to the decorative stitches. It says character decorative stitch. So we select that button and now we have a couple of different options. We have some alphabets, we have some different decorative stitches. We're going to go into this one right here, and this one has a lot of different decorative stitches. We can scroll down through it and we can see all of the options. Down here towards the bottom we have one of my favorites. It's this little bee, and he is right here at the end. So here's my little bee, and if I select him I'm going to get a whole row of bees. But maybe I don't want to sew just bees. So if I want to do something different, I'm going to select the little plus sign. And now I can add in a little extra stitch. This is either to do a whole line or to select one, because I want to combine something with the bee. I have one bee, and now I'm going to select this. Okay? And it's added a little loop-de-loop. This is kind of a big loop-de-loop. It's going to be about 1 inch. And I can either keep it as that, and this gives me the option to select large or small. So if I select that, you see that the loop-de-loop went better. Now I can add in a second loop, and maybe this one I do want big. So you can see that both sizes are there and they connect with the bee. Now if I wanted to keep this bee and keep going with this same pattern, I could go ahead and select this now, and you'll see I have a whole row of the bees that are connected. Or maybe I just want to stitch it one time. Go ahead and select that so it just stitches it once and you're ready to go. Another thing that you can do on this is if you want to save that stitch, you can add it to your memory and then on your machine, and then when you go in your pocket you can find that stitch and add it anytime. I hope you enjoyed learning how to combine decorative stitches on your Baby Lock Altair. Visit us at mygirlfriendsquiltshop.com.